Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the XNG USD in MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 5, then go to the bottom left and click on codes. And make sure that you link it to your MetaTrader 5 with a broker. Okay, it can be any broker. Then go to the plus icon here at the top, click on it. Then go to Energies group, this one, click on it. And as you can see here, we have XNG USD, the natural gas versus US dollar. Okay. If you can't see it here, just you can use the find symbols here, the search bar. Click on it and type XNG like this. Now, when you found it, click on it. Let's go back. And as you can see here, now it's on our codes list. Click on it and click on chart. And as you can see here, this is the natural gas XNG USD chart. As you can see here. That's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.